Hello and welcome to the year 2025. Today you'll discover 5 trends that are redefining China and may soon reshape the world as we know it. Trend number 1, artificial intelligence in everything. In cities like Shanghai, nearly 40% of new restaurants now use robotic chefs and automated waiters. Companies such as JD.com have created restaurants where AI cooks, serves meals, and even handles the payment. No human interaction needed. Picture this: you walk in, sit down, and a robot prepares noodles in just minutes with laser-like precision. Would you try it? Trend number 2, the silver economy dedicated to senior citizens. China has the largest aging population on the planet. By 2035, it's estimated there will be 400 million people over the age of 60. As a result, many startups are developing wearables with fall detection sensors and real-time health apps, like those offered by Ali Health. It's not unusual in China to see grandparents wearing smartwatches that remind them when to take medicine or how to monitor their blood pressure. This is a booming market, with companies doubling their revenue in just the last 2 years. Trend number 3, instant commerce and ultra-fast deliveries. In cities like Shenzhen, 70% of purchases are delivered within 30 minutes, thanks to drones and autonomous vehicles from companies like Meituan. Imagine ordering food and having it arrive at your door in 15 minutes, carried by a drone. While Amazon is still testing drone delivery in other countries, in China it has become an everyday reality. Trend number 4, virtual humans and digital influencers. AI-generated personalities like AI collaborate with luxury brands such as Louis Vuitton. These computer-rendered figures sing, model, and even interact with fans on social media. Recent reports show that the virtual avatar market in China is expected to grow by 300% by 2025. Investors and brands are captivated because a virtual influencer can work around the clock without ever needing a break. Trend number 5, Guochao, a wave of technological and cultural nationalism. Young Chinese consumers are increasingly choosing local brands over Western ones. Around 80% of 18 to 30-year-olds now prefer Chinese products, from smartphones to electric cars. Huawei has replaced Apple in many segments, and BYD has outpaced Tesla in electric vehicle sales. It's not just about patriotism. These products also offer strong innovation, quality, and competitive pricing. From AI-powered daily life to massive drone deliveries, these 5 trends are shaping the future of China in 2025. And what's most striking is how quickly they're catching on, spreading to other parts of the world at lightning speed. If you enjoyed this glimpse into China's present and future, make sure to subscribe and share this video. Can you imagine what our lives will look like in just a few years if we embrace these innovations? The answer is already unfolding in the heart of China. Thank you for watching. Until next time.